Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is Daffodils by William Wordsworth. This topic is for class 9 as well as class 10. Let me remind you the name of the book is ICSE Treasure Trove. Now daffodils, these are flowers, yellow in color. Okay, very beautiful to look at. Now let's start. Before starting, let me tell you something about the poet. William Wordsworth is an early leader of Romanticism in English poetry and ranks as one of the greatest lyric poets in the history of English literature. Daffodils by Wordsworth is a poem that celebrates the beauty of nature along with the bliss of solitude. Now, let's start. I wandered lonely as a cloud. Now, I is the poet, okay, that floats on high over vales and hills when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils beside the lake, beneath the tree, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Now, the poet was lonely. The poet was wandering lonely. All of a sudden, what did the poet see? A host of golden daffodils. Now, the daffodils are referred as golden. Why? Because the daffodils are yellow in color. And where did the daffodils grow? Beside the lake, beneath the trees. Okay. The poet begins with the poem begins. Okay. The poem begins with the poet wandering all alone as a cloud. The poet roamed around like a cloud floating over valley and hills. It was then the poet saw a large number of golden daffodils beside a lake. The daffodils appeared to the poet as fluttering and dancing happily in the breeze. Now let's come to the second stanza. Continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way, they stretched in never-ending line along the margins of a bay. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in sprightly dance. Now, in the second stanza, the poet is telling that how beautiful the daffodils looked. The poet has compared them with the continuity of stars that shine and twinkle in the night sky. The daffodils appeared to be stretched endlessly along the margins of bay. The poet says that these beautiful flowers stood in a never-ending line. Okay, these beautiful flowers stood in a never-ending line. It seems that the poet was under an illusion that he was watching 10,000 daffodils swaying their head in a sprightly dance. Okay, 10,000 daffodils swaying their head in a sprightly dance. Up to this much. In my next video, I will continue the next two stanzas. Okay, until then, goodbye.